guys, welcome to SMA International Makeup Academy. My name is Hilde Marie Johansen, and I'm one of the co-founders here at SMA International. I belong to one of the Scandinavian countries called Norway. After meeting my co-founders, Eva and Nikolai Bartel Thompson, back in 2013, we saw the demand and the potential to create an international makeup academy here in Asia. Our purpose with starting SMA was that we wanted to raise the level of the artistry here in Asia because of all the talents we saw here. What makes SMA special is that we provide an international certification, and we also shape and create our artists to be the best out there in the industry, so they can work whenever they are in the world. SMA offers programs from P1 to P5, meaning we start with a beginner program that can take you all up to the advanced levels until the master program. In P1, we provide the fundamentals where you will learn all about the basics, shaping you into an artist from the beginning, creating the right habits, the right professional attitude, and building your skills to become a professional makeup artist. After completing P1, you will go into our bridal course called P2. In this program, we will specialize more into the bridal industry. So the next level after P1 and P2 comes fashion and creativity, plays a huge role in our program called P3. P4 is our master program. So after you have completed all your fundamentals, your bridal and fashion, you will go into the world of fantasy. Here you will learn more about face and body painting and how to create original looks. So the last level we have is called P5. This is the Grand Master program where you have completed from level 1 to level 4. Here you will also go into the world of hair, learning how to work as a hairstylist. So the charges per course depends on the duration you choose, but we have courses ranging from 35,000 rupees up till 4 lakhs. So depending on what subjects you want to learn and how long you want to learn, we have something in your budget. So the benefits of the different courses we provide depends on what subjects do you want to learn more about. You want to go into the world of beauty, bridal, fashion, or fantasy. So they will benefit you differently as an artist. But first you need to start out with the fundamental and take it from there, and you will learn new things about yourself in our courses. Each course depends on the subject, but we start from 4 weeks till 2 months and all the way up till 4 months to complete the whole program. So at SMA International, we provide you an international certification. It's approved by PBA. That is an international organization that approves international makeup academies all around the world. So what we provide for our students here at SMA is an aftercare program, meaning that when they have graduated from any of their programs, they are always welcome to come back. Why? It's because we always want them to be on top of their game. Maybe they need to come back to refresh themselves. Maybe they have been through struggles, maybe they have taken a break from makeup, or they need to focus on certain subjects again and again. That's why the doors at SMA is always open for them. So here at SMA, most of all, important is to have fun. We make sure that our students learn in a fun and creative environment and also get that real experience of how it is to be a makeup artist. So everyone who graduates from SMA always says this, that SMA is so much more than an academy. We become your family. So after graduating here at SMA International, we have an HR system in place, meaning that you will be offered to work for many of the big makeup brands as we have tied up with. So there's an opportunity for you to really get the real experience how it is to work in the industry. So in all our programs, we provide you with knowledge of how to approach the industry in the right manner, how you can go into freelancing or into retail. So one important subject that we provide in our course is our digital marketing. As we know about this area, digital marketing is the key to everything, especially in this industry. Our artists need to know how to promote themselves, and all that you will learn in our digital marketing class. So here at SMA, we try to match everyone's budget depending on what they want to come and learn. The best way is to contact one of our counselors so we can understand what you want to do with this education and what is your goal with it and what is your budget. So the journey started for me when I was a costume designer back in Norway, and I wanted to see the world. Never did I know that I would end up living in this part of the world. But back then, my vision was to get into the fashion industry in Asia, and I packed my bags and came over to Bangkok, Thailand, where I started working as a costume designer. Side by side of that, I was also doing makeup, and I saw how much pleasure it gave in order to be in charge of creating that full concept, creating the concept with the costume, with the makeup, bringing it to life. Something just immediately clicked in me. And that feeling is what I want to pass on to our students at SMA, to be in charge, to be original, to create your own concept. And that also became my motivation with SMA, is to teach people how to be unique in their own way, to push themselves as artists. Because at the end of the day, you can learn how to do a black smoky eyes from YouTube, from any academy, but how to be original, that's rare, and that you will only learn here at SMA. If you want to know more about our courses, please visit smainternationalmakeupacademy.com or check out our social media on Instagram and Facebook at SMA International or smainternational.india. See you guys. Dhanyavad. SMA par zarur. Yeah, thank you.